Hello guys, how are you? So today we will be unboxing this hyperdrive, which is a USB-C hub priced around 14,000 on Amazon. I purchased it from Amazon. This is a lightweight and best USB hub. That is what they say. So if you see the hub, it is packed very neat, and this is a Gen 2 hyperdrive. Gen 2 hyperdrive, and it has lot of. This is a 12 port USB-C hub. So this is packed well. It has a lot of stickers. Make sure that you remove the stickers properly before you unbox it, because sometimes you might spill it or put it in the wrong way, so that the USB hub would fall down. You see this, there are you need to remove all the stickers first to unbox this. And see, right now I have unboxed upside down. So this is what will happen. Make sure that you remove all the stickers. This comes with an inbuilt or attached USB-C cable, and then it has a 12 port, that is 2 USB-A 3.0 port, 1 aux port, UHS2 card reader, 2 card reader, and then SD card and micro SD card, and then HDMI port, a display port, USB-C for charging only, charging your laptop only. And then it requires 180 watts power adapter, Ethernet gigabit port, and then you also get a USB-A 2.0 port. So these are the ports which we get. What I would say is, this is the best adapter. Yes, it is it is best adapter, and by far I have a few issues which I have faced. See, after the monitor or a computer which goes after my computer goes to sleep, bringing back online with the HDMI cable and few USB drives. For example, I have attached a USB drive, SSD, internal SSD with the external enclosure, SSD enclosure. So I have attached it with that. But I have since I was the hard drives were not getting detected. So these are the HDMI issues. Sometimes I get this kind of problem, not always. Sometimes you see that photo, you see that blue lines or grains which is passing through. In HDMI I face this problem. Apart from this, I also face one more problem, that is like whenever my computer goes to sleep and if I want to bring it back online, my computer comes online. See, in a MacBook Pro, the external monitor actually will come online. MacBook Pro comes online, but this monitor, external monitor is not coming online. I don't know what is the reason. Sometimes I face that problem as well. So what happens is, like, it will be blank, and computer will say that you have a monitor attached. Even then I try to switch off and all these things, it's still the MacBook Pro is saying that your monitor is connected, and one part of the screen will be there. So I will not be able to operate anything until I remove the cable, unplug the USB-C cable from the laptop, the USB-C hub from the laptop. Only then my MacBook Pro will work properly. So that is one problem. And this SSD enclosure USB drives were not detected once it went offline. So let's assume the MacBook Pro goes off to sleep, and if I try to bring it back online, and then the USB drive won't come online. So I have to remove the USB drives, and then only reattach it, only then it is getting detected. So these are the problems I face, and for 13,999 I still have this problem. So I'm not sure if it is worth it. Kindly decide, and we will check into it. And heating issue, I don't sometimes it heats up little bit, but not that much. So if you look here properly, I have attached USB drives, but here it is not getting detected. Only 2 drives are getting detected here. 2 SD cards which is attached to the USB-C hub. only that is getting detected. If you see that properly, see I have attached to USB external drive, but it is not showing up in the computer. This is the one problem I face always. So if you see right now, I will unplug this USB-C drives, USB-A drives external enclosure, and I will reinsert it again, and then we will see if it is getting detected. Okay. So this happens sometimes, sometimes this doesn't happen. So this is not one major issue, because right now, as of now, non-heating and very reliable USB-C hub, this is the only hub which is available. So the problem is, like, whenever something is not getting detected, for example monitor or anything which is not getting detected, you might have to unplug and replug it back. That is what is the problem here. And apart from that, I don't see any problem here. So I will also try to unbox a USB-C hyperdrive USB-C hub, which has 18 port, which comes around 16,999. Maybe I would also request you to please have a look at that video, unboxing video, which will be posted next to this. Okay. So right now I have plugged in back, unplugged and plugged in back. You see the drives are getting detected now. So these are the problems which I face as actually with the USB drives and HDMI port. So when I unplug and plug it back, the issue will get resolved. So believe me guys, this is one of the best drive right now as of now. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.